Hopefully this lesson will help you understand how a normal distribution is. What you see here is a normal distribution. The only problem is it's not organized the way it's presently situated. One thing that we could do is to put it into different categories, and if you notice here, the longest boards are over here on the left, the shortest boards are on the right. We've got 6 different categories, or if you recall, we call these grouped frequency distributions. So these are the boards that are up to 60 centimeters long, and these are the boards that are 10 centimeters long. If you notice, there's more of these boards that are in the middle and fewer as you go farther out. What I did is I took all of those boards and I arranged them in order so that, let's see if I have a good picture here for you. I arranged them all in order from the shortest to the tallest, and as you can see, there's very few of the shortest boards, and most of the boards, or the greatest number of boards, or the mode, is right here in the middle. That's also the average length of the boards, from 10 centimeters to 60 centimeters. I think these are 45. I'm not positive about that length, but it's not important how long they are. But it is important that you note that they are, we say, normally distributed. The normal distribution follows the rule that the middle is the mean, and then one standard deviation each direction is -1 on the left, +1 on the right, -2 on the left, +2 on the right. Here you can see the boards from the overview look, and you can see the longest boards are on the right, the shortest boards are on the left. I can show you that also if you look at, let's see here, we did this distribution and this one. I wanted to show you one more thing here. I gotta make sure I got all these pictures. Yep, okay. So you can see also the normal curve. This is the way it is in your textbook, and I'm making this available. This is the new picture from your textbook, and the only difference is that the beginning number and the end number are different. But if you notice, the mean, the average, is right in the middle. 1 standard deviation below, 1 standard deviation above, 2 standard deviations below, 2 standard deviations above, 3 standard deviations below, 3 standard deviations above. 68% of those boards, or of any normal distribution, would be between -1 and +1 standard deviations. 95% would be -2 and +2, and 100%, well, almost 100%, are between -3 and +3. It's actually only 99.73%, but that's close enough for Math with Business applications. If you remember the numbers 68, 95, and 100, you'll be close enough for our purposes. What also is true is that these numbers down here at the bottom also represent the amounts. For example, 50% or 0.5 is right here in the middle. If you subtract 34% from that, you get 0.16, or if you subtract 0.34 from that, you get 0.16, which is -1 standard deviation. If you add 0.34 to 0.5, you get 0.84. And so you can see these numbers down here never change for any distribution. And that's the important thing for this lesson. Just remember, for every curve, you can always do mean in the middle, or 0, -1, -2, -3, +1, +2, +3, -3 matches 0, -2 matches 0.025, -1 matches 0.16, 0 matches 0.5, 1 matches 0.84, +2 matches 0.975, and 3 matches 1.0. Now you can watch the other video and see how to get started on your lesson.